Hi everyone.
Welcome to this tutorial on creating a simple test and worksheet in Microsoft Word.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to 1. Add a school header. 2. Use numbering for questions. 3. Apply proper spacing. 4. Insert tables. 5. Add page numbers. 6. Design a neat exam or worksheet. These skills are useful for preparing classroom tests, assignments, and revision papers. This is our Microsoft Word document, and before we start working on it, it is important that we set it up. Now, setting up a document is an important step that comes first before you start working on the Word document. We are going to set the document in 2 ways. One way, we are going to set the font, and the other way, we are going to set the font size. Something else you need to be aware of is you need to always save your work. Always click the save button so that your work is saved and not lost in an event of power loss or any technical failure. So we go to the font icon, you click there, and the font we are going to choose is the Times New Roman. So you click on that. We have set the font to Times New Roman, and then you go to the font size icon and you select 12. Select 12 as our font size. So we have set up the document in terms of the font type and the font size, after which we need to click the save button. So this is the save icon, or you can come to file, then you come and click save, and then you locate where you want to save your document. So our document will be saving it on the desktop. So you come here and write the name of the document. So this is grade 7 maths test. After writing the name of the document, you click the save button. So up here, you can see we have a notification that the document is saved under this name. That is how we set up the Word document. Adding a school header. A header gives important information about the test or worksheet. In this document, we are going to create Greenfield Junior School Grade 7 Mathematics Test. Our header is going to be in capital letters, or in what we call uppercase, but this time we are putting it in lowercase deliberately so that we remind you the step we learned on how to change case. So now you want to change the case. You start by first highlighting the text and then go to change case and select uppercase. Our heading now is in uppercase. Please note, we use the headings to make the document professional and organized. Using numbering for questions. Numbering helps organize questions clearly. We continue building on our test document, and here there are great points of learning for you. So as you can see, we have instructed the learners to answer all questions, and for emphasis, we have put all in uppercase and also in bold. Also using the underline function, we've underlined. Now we want to introduce the bullets. That's how you introduce the bullets and numbering, but for now we are using the numbering, and once you've placed the number there, the system will automatically be selecting the next number for you. So we've selected number 1, and now we can anchor our first question there. I want you to observe the way the next number will come automatically. Just by hitting enter, you get number 2. So every time you write a question, once you hit enter, the system automatically gives you the next number. When you are doing a test document, the keywords in the test document can be written in uppercase, or you can bold them. So we can continue working on this test document up to the desired number of questions. Using spacing for readability. Proper spacing makes the worksheet easier to read. So to do that, you need to highlight the content that you want to introduce the spacing. Then you go to the spacing icon, you click there and you select the spacing option that you require. For our document, we are going to use 1.5 spacing. That is 1.5. You pick it up. Once you click, you apply the 1.5 spacing. Next, inserting tables. To insert a table for our test, get a clean page and write the heading Results Table. Then go to Insert, click Table, choose the number of columns and rows. Once you've done that, write the headings, starting with the serial number, the name, and the scores. That is our table. What is left now is to populate that table and then format the table accordingly. We have introduced numbering. So you see, when we click to introduce a fresh row, we get an automatic numbering because we started by clicking numbering in the numbering icon. From there, we need to resize the table. That is how we resize the table. You press the cursor, hold that line, and then drag it while holding down your left click. Yes, you hold down your left click button, then you drag up to the desired size. From there, we can bold the heading and then push it a little bit to put it at the center. We can also bold the other subheadings. This is how to do the table. You can continue now working on this table up to the desired number. Adding page numbers. Page numbers help organize printed documents. To add page number, go to Insert button at the home page and then locate the page number icon. Click that and then you can read through the options available. For instance, we have top of the page, bottom of page. So look for the desired style of page number that you need. And once you get it, then you're going to click. So for our case, this is the desired page number. It's going to be a header, and that is it. We've placed successfully the page number. So after you have successfully placed the page number, you can now double click inside of the page to deactivate the page number option. So that is our first, and this is the second page. Final formatting check. Before printing or sharing the worksheet, check formatting. Check correct numbering, proper spacing, clear headings, tables aligned properly, page numbers inserted, and that there are no spelling mistakes. A neat worksheet improves readability and professionalism. Conclusion. In this video, we learned how to create a school header, number exam questions, apply spacing, insert tables, add page numbers, and finally, design a simple worksheet in Microsoft Word. These skills help teachers prepare organized and professional classroom materials.
Thank you for watching. Practice by creating your own worksheet or class test in Microsoft Word.